everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and today is Friday. I actually had to go move my car, and I'm at the park with my dog. This is Gigi. Say hi, Gigi. Gigi, say hi. Yeah, she's waiting for me because we're ready to walk around the big field out here, and she's going to enjoy it. First, I wanted to make this video. Actually made a video earlier this morning, and I made a video about my $7 funnel. Okay, and I encourage you guys to get the $7 funnel. I'm going to actually want you to click on it, get the information that you need, sign up. You know, it's only $7. Now, once you sign up, you get an affiliate link, and whoever is in business with you or your referrals, you know, you get a commission of $6. All right. Now, it starts with the $7 funnel, but you can upsell to different membership and get high ticketed commissions as well. And my videos will explain it to you, or you can just go ahead and take a look at it yourself. Once you sign up, you're going to be introduced to those videos automatically. All right, I don't have to actually show you or share with you. Okay, the content is there, and it sells itself too as well. So it's just depending on your referrals, who you have. I mean, you might have hit the jackpot and get someone that's really serious and will sign up every membership there, and you will get a commission. As long as you have signed up, whatever level membership you get, whatever you've signed up, that's the commission that you're going to actually get paid. All right. So I'm excited for you because you are going to use a funnel to attract your website, your business, whatever you're promoting. And this is affordable. It is so cheap. All right. So go ahead and purchase that $7 funnel right now. And there's a link below, and take a look at this next video. I'm going to introduce you to it right now. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and all my returning fans and subscribers, welcome back. Always giving you fresh content all the time. If you're new to my channel, look at my videos, leave your likes, your comments, then subscribe to my channel. If you find what you see and you love my information I give out, then subscribe if you're very serious about making money online. All right, that's all what I do. As I share, I coach you and I help you. All right, now let's get back with this video. I am going to talk to you guys about getting the $7 funnel. The $7 funnel is lead lightning, and what you get in this funnel, I'm going to go rather quick. If you click on this, you're going to enter your name, you give out your best email address, you get free access. But once you hit this, it's going to open up to the bot. Okay. This bot check system, it protects you and everyone's privacy. So with this lead lightning, and if you upgrade to the power lead system, you're always going to have this because it protects everyone's privacy and it keeps spam out. So let me just type this out, and it will take you to the next page. I will reveal to you the $7 program. All right. Oh, okay. Here you go.
Right now, you're looking in the back office.
Okay, this is actually the $7 funnel that you will get. Now, every buyer that buys this will get their own capture pages, and also you will get to earn $6 commission every time somebody signs up under you. Now, every customer will get upsells with a high value product during the checkout process, and it just depending on who wants to upgrade, who don't want to upgrade. But you do get a commission. If you want to become a gold member, it's $53 a month. But if you get 3 people that upgrade to gold member, your membership here is actually waived. All right. So and who signs up under you, they stay a long time membership, you get $20 residual commission. Okay, don't forget, you get $20 residual commission plus 50% match bonuses. Whoever upgrades with your down, whoever your customer is, if they got other people coming in under them, you get a match bonus. All right, it just depends. And if they say no to the gold membership, and they just want to be a customer, you can become a customer to get the full benefits of this software. You can create unlimited capture pages. There's different types. I'm actually going to share with you in a few minutes with what I have. All right, so if they just want to be a customer, you'll get $15 commission. Okay, depending how many customers you have, referrals that you have, they just want to be a customer, this is your earning, okay? And it can go as far as how many people sign up under you. Now, if they don't want to be a silver membership, then you're done. They just want the $7 funnel. Now, if they want the gold membership, okay, and they want to go all the way and they want to upgrade to the diamond membership. Now the diamond membership, you'll get $100 commission if they sign up. And if you have signed up under it, okay, you have to upgrade to this to get the $100 commission. All right, so that's the key. You have to upgrade your membership in order to get this commission and 25% match bonus. All right. And then if they want to go all the way, get the platinum, all right, you'll earn $400 commission plus $50 override. All right, and these memberships are one-time fee payment, and I'm going to share with you. Let me see if I can get there. I think I have to go in my back office. Let me go in my back office here. All right, I have to go all the way down here. Sorry about that. I should have opened this this system for you, but I did not. All right, okay, so let me log into my admin. This is what you get when you have Lead Lightning, or if you're upgraded to the Power Lead system gold membership. Now, Power Lead system is a gold membership and going up. All right, that's so we're going to log in here. All right, I'm going to skip that page.
Introducing a game-changing new product called...
No, that product was the Master Traffic Institute, and I did not purchase it. So whoever goes all the way up and gets this, I will not get the $1,000 commission. All right, I have to purchase this in order to get that, and that's what you just saw the last video. All right. When you upgrade to the Power Lead system, you got to complete a domain name, because you need a domain name so you're able to make subdomain names. Okay, you can make unlimited subdomain names. All right, which is great, and you can make unlimited capture pages. And there's different type of editor. Let me show. I'm just going to share with you. Let's see if it's right here. They have a brand new drag and drop editor here. You can create different types of capture pages, but I'm going to make another video on that. Okay. All right. This is a perfect marketing tool if you need help with your business, and you can create unlimited funnels here. This is a great system. All right. Once you become a gold member, you are an affiliate. Okay. To upgrade to the upper sale membership. All right. Now, if you just want the $7 funnel, then you're just gonna get $6 payment automatically to you. Okay, but you will not be able to get any upsells with the system unless you are a gold member. Now, the gold membership, you get $20. Okay, and then the silver is included, you get $15 commission. So if you're a gold member, you get the silver membership too. Whoever is the customer, whoever wants to be just a customer only, you'll get $15 commission. Now, if your customer or your referral upgrades to the gold, then you get the $20 commission. And this is residual. Okay, everything is residual. All right, this one you add your picture, and then you want to purchase the diamond level, which I have already done that. So I get $100 commission automatically. Whoever signs up under my affiliate link, okay, they want to go all the way. They get extra training too as well. Oops, and they get that free ad secret training. All right, and the Social Profit Academy. This is for the platinum members. Okay, so whoever signs up under this and whoever owns this product under me, I automatically get $400 purchase commission. Okay, and this is included. Okay, this training for the Social Profit Academy. So as long as you upgrade, you get different training. And the Master Institute, if I want to.
Introducing a game-changing new product called Master Trap.
And then this one, it literally is a one-time payment of $1,500, $1,497. You can pay it in 2 monthly payments. All right. There is no guarantee if you can make money here unless you are very, very aggressive in your marketing. Okay. Successful people, millionaires that know how to market themselves, they actually, you never know who signs up under you, because they might be a master at what they do and they want the whole thing because they want high ticketed payments going. I mean, that's what millionaires do. They go for the high ticketed software to make money, and this is what you get. So this is the one that I have to purchase. I haven't done it yet, but I will eventually. All right. So I wanted to go back. Oh no. All right. Getting started. I wanted to just share with you all the training here. Okay. So here's the training. We're gonna go to the training area. And I'm going to go hit compensation, okay, so that you guys have the complete understanding. If you have upgraded to the priority system, this is the first thing you need to do is watch the level of compensation, how much money you can make here. And also go back to the beginner training. Go through all these modules right here. It's going to take you step by step. It's easily explanatory, okay, how to set up your power lead system. All right, and these are power lead system customer and gold level members can only see this access. If you're lead lightning, you have to upgrade to get this. So to upgrade, you have to upgrade to the gold level, and then you get all of this in the back office. Okay, so let me see. Let me go back to the front, getting started. All right. Let me see. I'm going to share the website here. So this is where you buy your domain. Okay. You can create subdomain. All right. And this is where you create your web pages. That's on this area right here. Training website. Okay. Your domain. These are your AWeber get response. You get an email system along with this. Is automated autoresponder. Okay. You can actually create also virtual postcards, e-cards, email forwarding. Okay. A lot of extra features. All right. Here you can see your commissions you've earned. Here's your e-wallet. Okay, your e-wallet here. You get your own debit card. So you have to activate your priority system, paylutin.com. All right. And this is how they pay you. All right. So let me move that around. But anyway, what I want you all to do is actually get this funnel, the $7 funnel. All right. And take a look at it. Everybody can afford, everybody needs a funnel. And this one is for life. Once you pay $7, this is yours for life. Now, if you want to upgrade, that's up to you. But this is how you get started. If you want more marketing tools to help your business, everybody needs to attach a funnel to their business in order to get people's attention to your website. Now, if you don't have a funnel and you just got your website, what chances is anyone's going to click on your website? All right. So you got to be very tricky in your marketing, okay? Because now everybody's using different types of funnels to get access to their website, and that's the way how marketing your business online is done in today's technology. All right, guys, call to action. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Purchase your $7 funnel right now so you can get started getting paid too as well. All right, take care. Thank you all, and I will see you in the next video. All right, Coach Laudiaann will be actually uploading more videos for you, so get excited, and I will see you in the next video.